Hello earbud headphone user. Today I will show you how to easily clean your Apple AirPods and fix the quiet sound issue. A common problem is when one side is quieter than the other side. This type of cleaning can also fix a low volume microphone problem. This cleaning method can be used on any in-ear and earbud headphones with a dust filter mesh. Whether they are Sony, Sennheiser, AirPods 3, AirPods 2, or AirPods Pro headphones. They can be easily and inexpensively cleaned and made louder again. As you can see, these Apple AirPods are quite dirty, and one side is significantly quieter. Even my grandma is louder when eating. The main dirt you see here is earwax, which accumulates on the microphone and speaker grills and thus isolates part of the sound. Earwax also accumulates on microphone input holes and makes sound recording difficult, causing a low microphone volume issue. The charging case is also very dirty. To perform this cleaning procedure, you need to find a hydrogen peroxide 3% concentration solution, which should be in your grandma's pharmacy. It is a mild antiseptic used on the skin to prevent infection of minor cuts, but it also dissolves earwax well, and that's exactly what I need. You will also need clean, unused cotton buds to perform the cleaning process. And a toothbrush, which you can use to scrub. Take the toothbrush from your grandma, just don't forget to put it back. If your grandma lives far away, you can also use a multi-cleaning tool. It will have everything you need. If the earwax on the headphones is not yours, for hygiene purposes, I recommend wearing gloves. Start by moistening the cotton bud with hydrogen peroxide liquid. Then use the moistened cotton bud to clean the case, but the hydrogen peroxide liquid does not need to be a lot, so that it does not leak inside. Use it just enough so that the cotton bud is moist, but not flowing. Then, with a dry cotton bud, wipe off any excess moisture. Then, with another moistened cotton bud, clean the AirPod microphone and speaker grills. Moisten it to soften the earwax. You can also use a toothbrush for scrubbing. These tasks can also be done with a multi-cleaning tool if it is more convenient for you. Be sure to take a new, clean cotton bud, so that it can absorb the soft earwax. Take a new bud, moisten one end and continue cleaning with these simple steps: moisten and scrub, and repeat several times. When it seems that all the microphone and speaker filters are clean on both headphones, use a dry and clean cotton bud to dry all the filter mesh. Then take an alcohol wipe and clean everything, including the earbud body and charging case. That's all. As you can see, these were the AirPods before cleaning, and how clean they are now. The main thing when cleaning is not to use too much hydrogen peroxide, so that it does not leak inside the headphones. Sometimes, for 1 to 2 days, the headphones may be quieter, while the hydrogen peroxide liquid that has leaked inside dries, so do not use too much hydrogen peroxide to avoid this problem. If you did not use too much hydrogen peroxide liquid, the headphones will be much louder after cleaning, eliminating the quiet sound and low volume microphone issue at once. I hope this simple and cheap tutorial on how to fix earbuds and Apple AirPods low volume was helpful to you. As always, I will be happy if you put a like on this video and press the subscribe button, so that we can meet in other useful headphone repair videos. Have a nice holiday.